Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to reset your password in the event you forget it. So from the sign in page, you will click on forget password. You'll then proceed to enter the email address associated with your account. Click send password reset link. You can then go ahead and check your email. Be sure to check junk and spam folders. Click on the link reset password and you can go ahead and enter your new password. When you click reset password, this should then redirect you to your dashboard.